I have to say, this thing frightened the hell out of me when I saw it for the first time when I lifted this cover off, when I was taking out the windscreen. It's really nastily corroded plate, which is part of the wiper mechanism, and I've been scratching my head as to how to get on with replacing it. I haven't been able to find a replacement part, but first thing I'm going to try and do is I'll make a plate that covers the hole, and we'll take it from there. Well, that one still had some shape to it. The other two don't look so good. No. Vice grip then. Gonna be drilling this. Go a bit bigger now. That's good. Came off in one piece, not too much of a struggle. That's good news. The bodywork's sound underneath there. I'm looking at this and I'm thinking that plate must have just been put in to reinforce this. They must have had trouble with the wipers, the lateral motion of them flexing the metal of the body. And interestingly, there's a drain plug in the body here that isn't in that reinforcing panel, and I think that's what was the end of the reinforcing panel, was that the water collected in it and filled up and it rusted away. Hasn't even spread to the body. That's great. So if I make a replacement piece for this, I'll definitely include the hole to let it drain through. What I have to do now is try and copy this and make a new one out of that. I nearly forgot the drain hole, and it turns out there actually was one on the original. It must have just got blocked. Get some paint on that now. That's worked out quite well. It's not a perfect copy of the original, but it should complete the function. I had no idea how to finish this job when I started, but sometimes it's good just to lash into it and see how it works out. I'm going to tidy up the wipers, the arms, and have a look at the motor shortly, so I'll tidy up the rest of it when I'm doing that. But in the meantime, that's one of the things I wasn't sure how to sort out. That's out of the way now.